Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a Greek recipe, traditional Greek recipe. It's tzatziki, and I think that you've all heard of it, or like you've all bought it somehow or some way. This recipe is very easy and simple, so you guys can make it actually at home. So I'll just show you guys how. What you'll need to make the tzatziki is a cucumber. We have it grated cucumber, Greek yogurt. We're going to use 200 grams. 2 to 3 tablespoons olive oil, 1 clove of garlic crushed or finely chopped, a pinch of salt, a quarter to half a teaspoon of white pepper. This is a tablespoon of vinegar, but like they usually use white wine vinegar, but we're not using it, and we're using also some dill. Better if you have fresh one. So first step is to we're going to add olive oil, garlic, salt, vinegar, and white pepper to a mixing bowl, and we're going to mix it really well. So now we're just going to mix it. You can use a spoon or a whisk, whatever is convenient. We're just going to mix it really well. So now we're going to add in our yogurt. So now we're just going to mix all of this together until it all incorporates, and then we're going to add in our cucumbers. So now we're going to add in our cucumber, but before that you have to squeeze it out of its water. And that is because the water will ruin the consistency and taste of the tzatziki. So after we've squeezed all of our cucumber from the excess water, we're going to mix it really well, and after that we're just going to taste it and see what's missing. So you can adjust the salt, vinegar, olive oil, whatever you need. So we've added some more olive oil to suit our taste or preferences. So now we're just going to add in our dough. So now we're going to mix in our dough to incorporate it evenly throughout our tzatziki, and we're ready to serve it. So this is what the final product looks like. We've added some parsley to garnish it, and it also adds a pop of color, which actually makes it very appetizing. We're serving it with some toast because usually it's served with pita bread, but we don't have it at the moment, so we'll just try it with some toast. So let's try it. I actually really like it. Of course, it will taste better with pita, but it's good this way too. And actually, it tastes so good. It reminds me of my trip back to when I was my trip in 2015 when I was in Cyprus. It reminds me of all the Greek flavors. It would also remind me of like when you eat kebab or falafel, you also have tzatziki on the side. Usually that's how it's served, but on its own, even on its own with just toast, actually it tastes good. So this concludes today's video. Again, if you like this kind of content, please like, share, comment, and follow us on our Instagram and Facebook for more content, and so you guys can support me to make more. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.